and Timmy Edutainment. Education plus entertainment. Kids songs and learning videos.
Red. Green. Blue. Pink. Yellow. Brown. Purple. Orange.
Come, let me teach you the number game, number game, number game. Baby will now learn the same lovely numbers 1 to 10. Look, son, this is number 1. We shall play with number 1 and then count number 1. Learn all numbers 1 by 1. The yellow ball is number 2. Number 2, number 2. 1 plus 1 is number 2. That's the rule. What to do? What magic, my sweetie! 1 and 2 and this is 3. 2 plus 1 means number 3. Baby, hope you're following me. The green ball is number 4. Number 4, number 4. After 3 comes number 4. Check the 4 balls on the floor. The orange ball is number 5. Number 5, number 5. After 4 comes number 5. 1 plus 4 is number 5. This black ball is number 6. Number 6, number 6. Now you're learning number 6. 5 plus 1 is number 6. After 6 is number 7. Number 7, number 7. You have learned till number 7. I am now on 7th heaven. The pink colored ball is number 8. Number 8. Number 8. After 7 we have 8. 1 and 7 adds to 8. Remaining 2 are 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 1 plus 8 is number 9. 2 plus 8 is number 10. One and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 9, 10. Dad and son had so much fun while learning numbers 1 to 10. Papa will now show the cards, lovely cards. You see different color in every card. This one is red, you see. Papa will show the next color. Next color, you see. This color is blue, my son, as blue as the sea. My son will now choose a card. Choose a card, you see. Yellow colored card he chose and passed it on to me. Look, this is a beautiful card with green color, you see. Green color is the same color as the leaves of the tree. Papa gives a card to you, orange color, you see. You will now name the color and will surprise me. My son has learned the names of 5 colors, you see. Lovely red and blue, orange, yellow and green.
A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cup. D for dice. E. E for egg. F. F for flower. G. G for guava. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J for jam. K. K for knife. L. L for lollipop. M. M for magnet. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for pencil. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for shoes. T. T for train. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wheel. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra.